This is just a quick way to have a little look at some of the power of ChatGPT. We'll have a look at a quick scenario where a tenant has emailed a property manager about multiple topics in the one email, and you need to reply. What you'll learn is the difference really between a standard use of ChatGPT without the use of something more powerful, and custom GPTs, which is a way to build in more advanced logic and analysis and output and brand consistency as far as what your messages sound like into your replies. So what you can see on the screen here is a simple email, something that's come in from a customer, a tenant. They said, "Hi, my cooktop is acting up again. It's been reducing in heat. And now the bottom left circle won't come on at all. Can you please get someone to help and fix it? By the way, our lease is up for renewal soon. What's the process? We talk about maybe lowering the rent. Let me know." So there's a few things going on in that email, and it's not a complex email. It's not meant to be a complex email, but it is something that you may receive many of within a day as a property manager. And really, it's just trying to provide some consistency in the way that that's analyzed so things aren't missed. You don't react to the first part, forget the second part. And also, it allows for a way to add a brand voice from your agency, from yourself, so that regardless of how your day is going and how you're feeling, and whether you're super busy or not so busy, you still come across in the same way. So if we take that over to a regular ChatGPT, this is what a lot of people will do when they're saying, "Yeah, I use ChatGPT," is you'll just pop it in there and say, "Can you please extract the maintenance request," or something like that. And it's from this email. Let me just throw it in. And sometimes that'll get a job done. That's not terrible. It's giving you an idea, right? But there's, again, a lot more going on in this email. So what I wanted to quickly show you without going into too much depth is a custom GPT. Now, this one, if we provide it with the email, we get a very different output. First, all important notes for the agent. What do we know? What are we missing? So we can see here that here is our issue. There's no specific urgency because that's important. We can even see that we probably need an electrician, so we know how to route that request. We can see that there's some additional information we need to ask for. Now, to write an email back to the tenant, this can be styled in your voice if you give it some examples. We've got a full draft, subject, template, everything. You can copy and paste this along with your signature, and you'll get the information that you need from the tenant. At the same time, we use a platform called PropertyMe. This is an example. We can paste a link, so we direct them away from email and towards our platform of choice so that we receive those maintenance requests in the right way that suits our process and keeps things efficient. A custom GPT is essentially a set of instructions, and then this is where the magic lies, creating something like this. So ChatGPT can get you a long way going from the basics of something like this over to some custom GPTs, and those can be shared amongst your team, used by everybody, and provides quick, clear, and consistent analysis.